Welcome to Reclaim.ai. In this short video, we'll show you an overview of how Reclaim's smart scheduling works so you and your team can automatically plan the perfect work week. First off, what is Reclaim? Reclaim is a smart calendar assistant for Google Calendar. We help your team block time for meetings, tasks, habits, even breaks. And when plans change, we automatically reschedule it to the next best time. Let's take a look at a common example. Lunch. Say you want to make time for lunch daily, but you're probably flexible about when you can take a lunch break depending on everything else you have to do that day. You can set a habit for your lunch break and automatically schedule it around the other events in your calendar. So instead of having a fixed event for lunch at 12 p.m. every day, Reclaim can book your lunch between, say, 11:30 and 2 for up to an hour, but as little as 30 minutes depending on how busy you are. And if your lunch gets interrupted by a meeting or any other event, it will automatically reschedule to the next best time, keeping your daily plan flexible and adaptive. Reclaim is all about flexibility. It doesn't just fill up your calendar with immovable blocks that prevent you from taking meetings. It uses intelligence to know when you're running out of time to get something done and automatically flips your events from free to busy, so you can balance being available for collaboration and having enough time defended for focused work. While Reclaim automatically schedules your work week, you're always in control. You can prioritize exactly what you want to get done in real time, and if you ever want to make changes to the plan Reclaim has made for you, you can always adjust it from our planner, in Google Calendar, or even in Slack. And this applies to any events you create in Reclaim, from habits like lunch, one-on-one meetings, to your task work, your scheduling links, your between meeting breaks, and more, so you and your team always have time to get the important things done. It's a smarter, more flexible, and more agile way to plan your perfect work week. Ready to take back your calendar? Follow our step-by-step user guide to take advantage of everything Reclaim has to offer. And Reclaim is better together. Don't forget to invite your team so everyone can get more out of the week. Have fun getting to know Reclaim, and don't hesitate to reach out via our in-product chat if you have any questions. Happy scheduling!